Once upon a road, it all began with a dream. A frame of steel, a simple engine, and a thirst for freedom. Over the years, the dream grew. Journeys stretched farther. Metal became muscle. Engines roared louder. But no matter how far we rode, one thing stayed the same. The need for something powerful enough to carry our dreams forward. Today, that spirit lives on with Outdo Motorcycle Batteries, born for the rider's soul. Brought to South Africa by Forbat SA, trusted by riders worldwide, Outdo brings the strength every journey deserves. Now, South African roads have a new heartbeat. Outdo is more than a battery. It's a promise of journeys yet to come, of memories waiting to be made. Wherever the road takes you, let Outdo power your story. Proudly and exclusively imported by Forbat SA.